The combustion of naphthalene can be used to calibrate the capacity of a bomb calorimeter. The heat of combustion of naphthalene is 5132.8 kJ per mole. When 0.210 gram of naphthalene was combusted in a calorimeter containing 1000 gram of water, a temperature rise of 4.21 degrees Celsius was observed. What is the heat capacity of the bomb calorimeter? To solve this question, we can use the equation QO reaction is equals to Q H2O plus Q calorimeter. But first, we need to know the Q reaction. To know the Q reaction, we can get it from the number of mole of naphthalene. But first, we need to write the chemical equation. C10 plus H8. Since it was combusted, we add H2O. And we got carbon dioxide and H2O. And we stabilize this first. 12, 4, H2O, and 10 carbon dioxide. Okay. The equation for number of moles is mass over molar mass. And substitute the information given. And then we get 6.144 negative 3 mole. And within this, we know that 1 mole of naphthalene, the heat release, the heat of combustion is 5132.8 kilojoule, and the 4.414 to the power of negative 3 of naphthalene mole of naphthalene, the heat of combustion is, we need to know, which is the Q reaction. And then we multiply this both sides, and then we got 32.9221 kilojoule, and substitute to the equation I mentioned before, which is Q reaction equals to QH2O plus Q calorimeter, and then we expand this, then we substitute the information, and we calculate this, and we got C is 3939.95 joule per degree Celsius, and that is the answer for this question. Thank you.